Come in your house. Come in your house.
Oh my god, it's so big.
Oh my gosh, you actually looks like you fit. Alright, see you tomorrow. Oh, time to go to sleep. Oh, time to go check on my kid.
I grew a little bit.
Hello? Oh wow, you look a bit bigger than last time. Hey. Oh. Alright. Let's hit the house. Alright. Where do you want to go today? What on earth? Oh, you're growing. You wanna go to bed? Okay, let's go to bed. Actually, should I put a bed right here for you? Okay. Good night. Oh, time to go to sleep. Urgh. I'm gonna go check on my kid. See if he's okay. I tried to give him some defenses last night. I just gotta be ready, you know. Alright. That's what I've been doing. Hello? Knock knock? You can come out? Oh my gosh, you've gotten bigger. Are you okay? Let's get dinner. Okay. Oh, I should have left this with you last night. I totally forgot that you might need it. Alright, well, I'm gonna move your house somewhere else this time so you can get a bit of a better view. The leaning house. You get to jump into the house now. Oh wow, you grew a lot. See you tomorrow. Time to go to bed. Hello? Oh my god. We need to get you another house. Do you want me to do this? Did I do it? Okay, yeah, you don't need it. Bro, this house can fit on your back. You're a turtle.